guys, it's me again with another interesting and delicious recipe. So on the menu today we have a chicken Parmesan casserole with pasta. So the first thing we are going to do is, in a large pot, we are going to cook and drain the pasta. And we just cook the pasta according to the package directions. To the pasta, we are going to add the marinara sauce, the chicken, half of the mozzarella cheese, half of the Parmesan cheese, and 1 to 2 teaspoons of the Italian seasoning. Then we mix all of that yumminess together. Now we add in the chicken and mix it in. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. In a small bowl, we are going to mix together the panko breadcrumbs, melted butter, and garlic powder. Later, we're going to sprinkle this evenly over the mozzarella cheese. After allowing the mixture to simmer for a few minutes over medium-low heat, we are now going to spread it evenly onto the bottom of a baking dish and sprinkle it with the remaining mozzarella and Parmesan cheese. We now bake it at 350 degrees uncovered on the center rack for about 15 minutes or until the panko crust turns golden brown. You could serve this dish alone or with salad, veggies, and or some breadsticks. This dish turned out really delicious. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please remember to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe if you are new. I love you guys to pieces. Bye!